Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create chart in Excel with the 2y axis. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data, order ID and total price. So first I'm going to create chart. To create chart, simply select the data, just drag with the mouse and select here the entire data. Then go to the insert tab. In charts group, I select here the column chart. Just click on this arrow and here have a 2D column, 3D column. So I select here the second one 2D column and here you can see the chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. So here you can see this is the x-axis, the order ID and the total price in y-axis. Okay. So in this video, I show you how to add two y-axis. Okay. So before that, I add here the one more column. So in sheet number 2, have a unit price. So I just copy this data and add here the third column. So I'm going to add this both data in y axis. Okay. So in total price showing now, and I'm going to add the unit price also. Okay. For that, just click on the chart, go to the chart design. In data group, click on the select data option. And here you can see the select data source dialog box is open. In legend entry showing the total price in horizontal axis, labels showing the product order ID. Okay. So here in y-axis, I'm going to add one more axis. Okay. So click on the add option in legend entries. Series name, I just add here the unit. I just add here the price. Okay. Click on this arrow, the series value, and select here the column. Okay. Those you want to add in y-axis. Okay. Just click on this arrow and that's it. Here you can see in preview showing the unit price is added with a different color and click on OK. And here you can see in legend entry also showing the total price plus price. Okay. And after that, just click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see the 2y axis is added. Okay. With the different color is showing. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.